Hi everyone, my name is Andy here from projectofmylife.com. So on today's video, I wanted to show you about how to start affiliate marketing for beginners. So I'm gonna give you 7 steps to start affiliate marketing for beginners only. Again, this is for beginners. It's not for advanced or intermediate person that already knows about affiliate marketing. So this is only just for the beginners. So step number 1. First, you need to choose your niche. I already make more deep about choosing the niche. You can check the video here. Just take your time before you choose your niche. Try to think, what kind of content, meaning that what kind of video that like this that you're gonna make in the future, or maybe what kind of content writing. If you like to write, make a blog, you can also do that. Think what you like the most. When you already watched the video from choosing the niche, then you will understand how you choose the niche later on. After you already choose the niche, then it goes to step number 2, which is find the available website name for your niche. So again, when you find the website name, after you choose the niche, you have to try to make the brand around your niche. For example, if you like your niche is about health and fitness, promoting maybe a supplement product, or maybe you're promoting keto diet, or maybe you're promoting ladies. For ladies, maybe they like to promote about makeup. So try to find a website name. It's around that niche. If you like to make promote the supplement, for example, you can try to find a website name like maybe Supplement Nation, or maybe a Supplement Guru, or anything that it's connecting with that supplements. Then you try to find that website. There's a website name is called Lean Domain Search. So Lean Domain Search will give you an idea what kind of domain name that you can choose within your niche. After you find a website name, then you need to go to a company like GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com, Namecheap.com, whatever company that you're already familiar with. If you never make any website, then you can choose Bluehost.com. Those are a company that I would suggest the best. You can also watch the video here, Bluehost.com. So in this video, we'll show you how to create the account of Bluehost.com, and so on over there later on. So Bluehost.com, it's one of the best website company to build a website especially for affiliate marketing. And after you already choose the website name and goes to step number 3, it will be sign up for web hosting to start build your website. So when you choose those company like GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com, over there you can also purchase the web hosting service. So the web hosting service basically you renting their server in that company. So when you build your website, all those things, it will be saved on those company server. So if you use Bluehost, then you can also watch the video before that I show you. So it will continue to show you how to purchase the web hosting. And after you purchase the web hosting, then you start build your website with WordPress. So what is WordPress? WordPress is a platform for you to build the website. So this is like a most common platform that people use to build a website. It's called WordPress. So WordPress is a lot of tools or a lot of things that you can benefit from when you build a website with WordPress. Okay, so after you build the website with WordPress, again, in this video here, we'll tell you also building the website with WordPress and everything too in the Bluehost. So that will be easier for you. And then goes to the step number 5. Step number 5, it will be choosing your autoresponder company. So autoresponder company, there's also a lot of them over there, maybe more than 20 companies, autoresponder you can choose from. You can use Aweber, GetResponse, MailChimp, Constant Contact. There's a lot of them that you can choose or you're already familiar with. So if you already have them, then it's good. If not, then suggest you to use GetResponse. And you can also watch my video here. And this video will show you, to create an account with GetResponse. And after that, in that video, also showing you how to use this GetResponse autoresponders company for your business later on. After you choose the the autoresponder company, then you're gonna plug in your API from GetResponse to your website. So meanings that when people come to your website, it will ask you to put your name and your email address. And after people put the name and email address, and it will be saved in that autoresponder software, the autoresponder company like GetResponse. So you're gonna build the list over there, which means the email list. Whenever people come to your website, they're gonna put the name and the email address, and so you're gonna make all the lists in your autoresponder website. So once you already have a lot of lists, then you can easily communicate with them. Like if I wanted to send an email to my friend or my family, it's the same thing like that. So but this is in a strategic way. Autoresponder means that it will allow you to set up a set of email, maybe 10 or 20 emails, and send an email to your list in different time. Maybe the first day after they get the email, or second day, third day, or maybe the 7th day, the 20th day, or the 30th day, whatever that you want to set up. So that's the good thing about the autoresponder company service. Okay, so after you already plug in your autoresponder service to your website, and it goes to number 6. Number 6 is gonna be, you're gonna create a name and a logo for your company. So if you want to, your niche is about promoting supplements, for example, then you will make a logo around that name, Supplements Nation, or maybe Supplements, or maybe Indie Supplements. It can be any names that goes around your niche, and then you can just make the logo also. And if you don't know how to make the logo, the easiest way is you just go to a website called Fiverr. The website of Fiverr here is a lot of people that can make you logo. It's very cheap over there. You can just make you logo for $5, so you can get a logo, nice logo. Fiverr.com, it's a platform that most of these freelancers try to get a job or try to get a project, like making a logo. Even you want to do a video editing, you want to do a graphic design, they can do that in that website. After you already make the logo and the name for your company, and it goes to number 7. Now this is number 7 is the last step. It's gonna be choose your affiliate program company. So there's a lot of affiliate program company. There's also the list I'll show you below. So one of them is called clickbank.com or jvzoo.com, or even Amazon. It has the affiliate program. It's called Amazon Associate, and then there's all other different company you can also sign up over there, and you can sign up this for free. So again, you can watch this video about affiliate program company, what is affiliate program company doing. So in that way you can get better understanding. So basically affiliate program company is kind of like a platform, is to meet between the merchant, which is the company product or service, and then the marketer, the affiliate marketer, which is you and me as an affiliate. So we're gonna promote their product over there. So this platform is called affiliate program company. Yeah, so there's a lot of company there. Then you can see that video. It tells you more details, about the affiliate program company. Alright, so that's it for today's video. I hope you can get a value from this video, and if you like this video, just give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.